40, the two sailors read the same. For half the year, Yellowstone is frozen solid. Yet in the middle of this ice storm, there is scalding heat. This is no ordinary place, and this is no ordinary winter. The fate of everything here lies in the hands of forces of almost unimaginable power. Yellowstone is deep in the heart of the Rocky Mountains of North